Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well and staying safe during this time. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. Like I said, thank you so much for checking me out. If you haven't done so, please make sure to hit that subscribe button just right below the video. Cool, thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. And if you're returning, welcome back. Thanks again for your support. I truly do appreciate having you here.
XRP price could rally towards $1.40 if bulls can break past 85 cents. XRP price is still respecting the weekly trend line. A breakout past 85 cents could send Ripple price towards $1.40. Breaching $0.725 would invalidate the bullish idea. XRP price is still looking bullish despite last week's failure to stay above the weekly consolidation line. A 10% bounce from the current price of 77 cents could send Ripple price an additional 67% higher. XRP might be forming a pennant. XRP price has failed once again to close below the weekly trend line on the 12-hour chart. Price is currently consolidating below last week's breakout level at 80 cents, which has investors playing it safe. XRP price is also unfolding in a pennant-like manner. Elliott wave theory suggests that the low of a pennant into the apex can be used to forecast future price targets. The unfolding pennant has a value of 67% from low to high. This means if bulls can push past 85 cents, it is likely XRP price will see a spike into the $1.40 zone. Despite the wedging-like price action, XRP price can still invalidate the bullish idea. A break below $0.725 will likely mean more downside pressure into the $0.67 $0.62 supply zone, up to a 15% drop. The bears should keep in mind that the overall trend is still very bullish for XRP price. Price action in the 62 cents supply zone could still result in a bullish triangle pattern to form later down the road. Price analysis: where's XRP headed after Ripple's big win? Ripple's latest victory pushed XRP on the bullish trajectory in the past 24 hours. The federal judge ruled that Ripple could push for fair notice as it is completely entitled to do so. This meant that Ripple's central arguments against the U.S. Securities and Exchange were validated by the court in the ruling against SEC's motion. Judge Annalisa Torres denied SEC's motion to stop Ripple from using the fair notice defense. Ripple for the longest time had expressed concerns over the same by stating that SEC hadn't given them enough notice that it considered XRP to be a security. Following this news, XRP was northbound and attempted to topple over its immediate resistance of a 76-cent price level. In the last 24 hours, XRP registered near about 15% gain and it traded close to 84 cents. Currently, XRP is sideways on its charts, displaying range-bound price action at the time of writing. In the past week, however, XRP continued to make gains as the coin appreciated by 6%. XRP was trading for 76 cents at the time of writing. The coin, despite a massive boom in prices, had dipped slightly over the last 24 hours. It lost around 2.2% of its value over the past day. The coin was seen moving sideways over the immediate past trading sessions. Overhead resistance for the coin stood at 80 cents. The coin, despite noting a slight fall, managed to remain above its 76-cent mark. The aforementioned price resistance has been a long-standing one for the coin. On the flip side, the support region for XRP stretched from $0.74 $0.71. In case XRP again surges and manages to cross the 80-cent price mark, the coin could witness stiff resistance at 85 cents. XRP hasn't gotten past that point in over a month. From the technical outlook, it seems as though the bears have not given up their momentum completely, and continued pressure from sellers could cause XRP to break below its immediate support level. Technical indicators. Trading volume also noted a significant decrease in the last 24 hours. According to the 4-hour chart, the volume of the token traded was much lower compared to the previous trading session. On the brighter side, the bar closed in the green, which meant that buyers could be resurfacing soon. It is, however, not enough to conclude if XRP was regaining strength. On the 20 SMA, prices were spotted below the 20 SMA line. This reading signifies that sellers have gathered momentum and the price movement is being dictated by the sellers. The relative strength index was in accordance with the other indicators. The indicator was seen below the half line. This marked bearish pressure as selling strength preceded buying strength in the market. The MACD indicator is known to determine the current price momentum. The indicator noted a bearish crossover followed by the presence of red histograms at the time of writing. MACD crossed below its zero line, which is a sign of bearish pressure. XRP price forms bull trap before 16% correction. XRP price action caught bulls in a bull trap at the weekend. Ripple price action saw a bullish breakout followed by a sharp retracement to the downside. Expect to see an accelerated move lower as bulls switch sides to get out of their losing positions. Ripple, XRP, price action is on the cusp of breaking its short-term uptrend as bulls got trapped over the weekend in their attempt to break above $0.8390. In the wake of that break, price action dropped around 11%, saddling bulls with significant losses. Some traders are ignorant as to what to do next as global markets are getting more nervous by the day with several yield curves predicting a recession around the corner. Expect $0.7304 to hold for now, supported by the 55-day simple moving average and a short-term floor, but once bulls pull the plug on their losses, expect to see a triggered drop towards $0.6264, the low of February. XRP price set to retest the lows of February. XRP price action was an outlier on Saturday as a bullish pop or breakout pushed the price above $0.8390 but got cut short by bears jumping on the window of entry and pushing price action back to the pivot level at $0.7590. Although a relatively bullish triangle has formed, this weekend's early breakout has trapped plenty of bulls in the process who could now start swinging to the sell side. That could add volume to offers and see buyers being overthrown with just too much supply in XRP. XPR price action could, in a first phase, drop to $0.7304, the short-term bottom from the beginning of March in the 55-day simple moving average, SMA, just below. More selling could follow as the relative strength index is still quite elevated and still has plenty of room to drop before becoming oversold. That opens the door for a gap drop towards $0.6264 or $0.6000, with the first a historic level from May 23 and the monthly S1 support level, before XPR price action will be spun around back up for a bullish inflow. With the Nasdaq on the front door this morning, it could well be that a bounce off the short-term green ascending trend line will unfold for today. Expect to see an attack at $0.7843. A pop above would open the door for more gains going into Wednesday and Thursday, putting $0.8390 back on the docket and seeing bulls carefully building up more of a stake in the price action in order not to get trapped yet again. A jump towards $0.9300 could be a bit too far-fetched but could make sense as the 200-day SMA and the monthly resistance pivot at R1 could work like a magnet for offloading long positions. This is also a level where bears might take on some short positions to defend room above the 200-day SMA and preserve the death cross. Top 3 price prediction: Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP. Crypto bulls continue to hold, but for how long? Bitcoin price consolidation continues, bears still in control but bulls defending strongly. Ethereum price action is overwhelmingly bearish, but sellers can't shake off buyers. XRP price enters a make or break zone, giving equal weight to bulls and bears for the likelihood of a breakout. Bitcoin price continues to consolidate. Ethereum price confirms, again, a major Ichimoku short entry condition. XRP price consolidation gives longs and shorts opportunities for profit. Bitcoin price continues to vex bears, but a fall is not far away. Bitcoin price action has seen many whipsaws over the past 30 days. Multiple attempts to push Bitcoin lower have been attempted. Similarly, many attempts to return Bitcoin to bullish conditions have also been attempted and rejected. It is decidedly bearish given where Bitcoin currently sits within the Ichimoku Kinko-hyo system. However, the threshold needed to convert Bitcoin price into a bull market has dropped markedly. As a result, the Ichimoku cloud has become very thin starting today. Thin Ichimoku clouds represent weakness. This means that if Bitcoin price can close above the Tenkan-sen and Kijun-sen, at or above $40,125, it should have an easy time breaking out above the Ichimoku cloud. Bitcoin price needs to close at or above $44,600 to confirm an ideal bullish Ichimoku breakout. The likely target before hitting any resistance is the $53,000 value area. A daily close at or below $37,000 would confirm an ideal bearish Ichimoku breakout and likely push Bitcoin price down to the June 2021 and July 2021 lows near $30,000. Ethereum price shows bears having difficulty pushing ETH lower. Ethereum price action, like Bitcoin's, is overwhelmingly bearish on the daily Ichimoku chart. The overall structure and conditions of ETH mirror nearly all of Bitcoin's, save one. Ethereum shows a confirmed ideal bearish Ichimoku breakout. However, despite the ideal bearish Ichimoku breakout, Ethereum price has failed to collapse. Interestingly, ETH has triggered an ideal bearish Ichimoku breakout 11 times since March 3. Nevertheless, bears are unable or unwilling to push ETH over the ledge. Regardless of why Ethereum price is still holding in the $2,500 value area, there are zero technical reasons why it displays any strength. In addition to the ideal bearish Ichimoku breakout confirmation, ETH is below the 2022 volume point of control, remains below the bearish pennant, and is now below the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement of the all-time high to the low of the strong bar on the weekly chart at $2,570. Downside risks for Ethereum price are likely limited to the June 2021 and July 2022 lows near the $1,800 value area. Upside potential is probably capped at the top of the Ichimoku cloud, Senko span B, and the upper trend line of the bearish pennant, both at $2,900. XRP price could go either way. Bulls and bears now wait. XRP price action shows very different trading conditions compared to BTC and ETH. The daily Ichimoku chart shows XRP stuck inside the cloud. The 78 cents is the primary resistance level and contains the Tenkan Sen on top of the Ichimoku cloud, Senko span A. 73 cents contains the Kijun Sen on bottom of the cloud, Senko span B. While the cloud does represent volatility and indecision, there is a bias that has a higher probability of playing out than the other. The two strongest levels in the Ichimoku system, the Kijun Sen and Senko span B, represent where bears need to close XRP price below to trigger an ideal bearish Ichimoku breakout. However, the Chikou span would need to be in open space, meaning XRP needs a daily close at or below $0.695, or 10% below the Tuesday open. On the long side, the path is much easier. The Tenkan Sen and Senko span represent the weaker levels. To trigger an ideal bullish Ichimoku breakout, XRP price needs a daily close at or above $0.825, or 6.5% above the Tuesday open. Upside potential for XRP price in the near term is likely limited to the $1.05 value area, and downside risks are limited to the 50-cent range.
I'm your guy. I will keep you posted. I'm your advocate. I'll be back on a daily basis, usually multiple times per day, with these videos to keep you updated with everything going on. So, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you haven't done so, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Feel free to share any of my videos with your friends, family, social media, or anybody who may care to listen. Thanks so much for your continued support. I'm always here for you. I want to help you through this time. So thank you so much for continuing to choose me. Enjoy your day, stay safe, and I'll catch you again probably in a couple hours. Thanks, everybody. See you later.